Matrices lecture 11.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept. So see that concept. Solution of system of non-homogeneous linear equation in two unknowns. So here, non-homogeneous equations. So non-homogeneous means if any equation not having same degree, then the type of equation is called non-homogeneous equations. So let us consider two system of non-homogeneous linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c. So clearly here degree 1, here degree 1, here degree 0. So here also degree 1, degree 1, degree 0. There are two equations having not same degree, or these equations are non-homogeneous. Degree is 1, so it is linear equations. So clearly two unknowns. So both x and y are two unknown values. So for example, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. So see here, for example, x plus 2y is equals to 4, 2x plus 4y is equals to 3. So these are any two equations. So clearly here two lines are parallel lines. See here, what is a1? a1 is coefficient of x, that is 1, and b1 is 2, c1 is 4. Here a2 is 2 by 2, here by 4, here by 3. So clearly not is equal to c1 by c2. Okay. So clearly in this case, these two lines are parallel lines, so does not intersect. Therefore clearly a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not is equals to c1 by c2. So this is the first one. So in this case, the system of equations has no solution and inconsistent. If it has a solution, it is consistent. So clearly here both linear equation does not have a solution. Whenever if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So clearly in this case, this system of equations has no solution and inconsistent. So for example, this is example 1. So x plus 2y is equals to 4 and 2x plus 4y is equals to 8. Okay. So see here, a1 by a2 that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 that is 2 by 4, c1 by c2 that is 4 by 8. So this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. So clearly a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So clearly in this case, both lines are coincides, means L1 and L2 are same lines. So that is what second case, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So clearly in this case, both lines have solution and the solutions are infinite. So clearly infinite solutions and consistent. So next third one, a1 by a2 is not is equals to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 is not is equals to b1 by b2. So see here 3x plus y is equals to 2. So what is a1 by a2? 1 by 3, b1 by b2 2 by 1. So clearly both are not equal. So in this case, both lines are intersected at one point. So clearly in that case, the system of equations has unique solution. So right here, unique solution and consistent. So these are the three conditions. So next one, solution of system of non-homogeneous equation in three variables. Okay. So let us consider a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to d1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equals to d2 and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equals to d3. So these are three non-homogeneous linear equations. So here we have to find the solutions. So how to find the solutions? So see here A is what? That is quotient matrix. So that are A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C. And X is variable matrix, that is X, Y, Z, and D is constant matrix, that is D1, D2, D3. So first one, if determinant of A is not equals to 0, then it has unique solution. So second one, if determinant of A equals to 0, then it has infinitely many solutions or no solution. Okay. So these are the two conditions. So clearly these three equations represent plane equations. If three planes are intersected at one point, in that case it has unique solution. If these three planes intersected at a line, in that case it has infinitely many solutions. So next, if three planes does not intersect at any point, in that case it has no solution. Okay. So next one, solution of system of homogeneous linear equation in two unknowns. Here given equations are homogeneous. So homogeneous means if any equation having same degree, then that equation is called homogeneous equation. So let us consider two homogeneous equations that are a1x plus b1y is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y is equals to 0. So see here, clearly these equations having same degree, degree 1, here also degree 1, degree 1. Therefore, these equations are homogeneous equations. So here you have to find the solutions of homogeneous equations. So see here, first one, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. For example, x plus 2y is equals to 0 and 3x plus y is equals to 0. So clearly these are two homogeneous equations. And what is a1 by a2? That is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is 2 by 1. So clearly both are not equal. In that case, it has unique solution. So what is that solution? So clearly x is equals to y is equals to 0. Okay. So that is unique solution. And second one, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. So for example, x plus 3y is equals to 0 and 2x plus 6y is equals to 0. So clearly both lines are parallel lines. Okay. So means these two lines are coincides. So this is L1 line and this is N2. So clearly two lines are coincident lines. In that case, solutions are infinite. So therefore, it has infinitely many solutions. Okay. In this case, the system of homogeneous equations always consistent because of in both cases it has a solution, either unique or infinite many solutions. So depends on given equations. Okay. So clearly in this case it has trivial solution, and here non-trivial. Okay. So see the next one. Solution of system of homogeneous linear equations in three unknowns. So let us consider a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equals to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equals to 0. So these are the three system of homogeneous equations. So here what is A? A is the coefficient matrix, that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, and X is variable, your constant matrix is G. So first one, if determinant of A is not equals to 0, then it has unique solution and it has trivial solution. Second one, if determinant of A equals to 0, so in this case we have infinitely many solutions. And non-trivial. So clearly in this case, this system of equations always consistent. So because of in both cases it has a solutions. Now we will discuss few problems on this. So see the first one, the value of A for which the equations fail to have unique solution is. So see the first one, given equations 3x minus y plus az is equals to 1, 2x plus y plus z is equals to 2, x plus 2y minus az is equals to minus 1. So these three system of equations fail to have unique solution. So means determinant of A is 0. If determinant of A is not equals to 0, then it has unique solution. But here it is not unique solution. So therefore determinant of A is equals to 0. So find it, that is determinant of 3 minus 1 A 2 1 1 1 2 minus A is equals to what? 0. Now find this determinant. So what you get? 3 into minus A minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2A minus 1 plus A into 3 is equals to 0. Now this is minus 3A plus 3A get cancelled. So minus 6 minus 2A minus 1 is equals to 0. So minus 2A is equals to 7. So A is equals to minus 7 by 2. So clearly value of A is minus 7 by 2, option 2. So next to see the second one. The system of equations has infinite solutions. Means determinant of A is 0. So see here, given equations 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6, 3x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 14, 6x plus 10y plus 8z is equal to 8. So it has infinite solutions, means determinant of A is 0 or rank of A is equal to rank of AB. See here, what is A? A is 3, 2, 1. Next 3, 4, 3, 6, 10 A. And what is D? 6, 14 A. So here clearly rank of A is equal to rank of AD less than 3. Okay. Now find determinant of AD. So deleting any column in matrix A. So for example, delete the first column. Then AD is what? 2, 4, 10, 1, 3, 8, 6, 14. This is 0 because of rank. Determinant of A equals to 0 and determinant of AD also 0. Now this is what? 2 into 3A minus 112 minus 1 into 4A minus 140. Okay. So plus 6 into 32 minus 30. So clear this is equals to 0. So 6A minus 224 minus 4A plus 140. So plus 12 is equals to 0. So 6 minus 4A, that is 2A, is equals to 224 minus 152, that is 72. So clearly what is A value? 36. So option 4. So next to see the third one. The number of non-trivial solution of the system of three equations is. See here, given system of equations x minus y plus z equals to 0, x plus 2y minus z equals to 0, 2x plus y plus 3z. So find here determinant of A. So what is that? 1 minus 1 1, 1 2 minus 1 2 1 3. So this is 1 into 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 into 1 minus 4 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 9. So here determinant of A is not equals to 0. Then clearly the system of equations has trivial solution. Therefore clearly number of non-trivial solutions are 0. So first option. So see the fourth one. The xyz are not all 0 and the equations are consistent. So means determinant of A equals to 0. So here. So write the quotient of xyz. It is 1 minus C minus B. Next C minus 1A. Next here DA minus 1 is equals to 0. So find this determinant. So 1 into 1 minus A square plus C into minus C minus AB minus B into AC plus B is equals to 0. Therefore this is 1 minus A square minus C square minus ABC minus ABC minus B square is equals to 0. Therefore this is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2ABC value is 1. So clearly option 3. So see the next one. the number of values of k for which the system of equations has no solution. See here, given system of equations k plus 1x plus 8y is equals to 4k, kx, k plus 3y is equal to 3k minus 1 has no solution. So therefore clearly a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So see here, k plus 1 by k is equals to 8 by k plus 3 is not is equals to 4k by 3k minus 1. So take these two. So what you get? K plus 1 into k plus 3 is equals to 8. So this is k square 4k minus 8k, that is minus 4k plus 3 is equals to 0. So this can be written as k square minus 3k minus k plus 3 equals to 0. So clearly k minus 1 into k minus 3 is equals to 0. What are the k values? 1, 3. Okay. If we substitute 1, so what you get here? 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 is equals to 8 by 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. If k is equals to 1. Next here, 4 by 3k minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. But in this case, all are equal. So k is equals to 1 is not possible. If k is equals to 3, so what you get? 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So 8 by 3 plus 3, 6. So 8 by 6, that is 4 by 3. And here 12 by 9 minus 1, 8. Okay. So clearly this is not equal. Therefore k is equals to 3. So number of solutions are 1. So option 1. So next to see the sixth one. The system of equations is consistent. Then find the value of k. So these are the given system of equations. It is consistent means determinant is 0. So that is k plus 1 whole cube, k plus 2 whole cube, k plus 3 whole cube. Next, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. So next 1, 1 is equals to 0. So see the option verification. If you put k is equals to minus 2, here what you get? Minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Here minus 2 plus 2, 0. Here 1. Next here minus 1, 0. Next 1. So 1, 1. So clearly find this determinant. Minus 1 into 0 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into minus 1. So clearly this is what? 1 minus 1, 0. If you put k is equals to minus 2, then it becomes 0. So clearly option 2. So see here seventh one. Here a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c is not equals to 0 and the system of equations has non-trivial solution. Then a, b, c are involved. So here system of equations are non-trivial means determinant of a is 0. So find determinant of a is equals to 0. That is a alpha plus b, a b. Next one b alpha plus c, b c. Next one 0 a alpha plus b, b alpha plus c. So now here a alpha plus b, here b, here a. So for that R3 changes to R3 minus R2 minus alpha times of R1. So what is that? A alpha plus B, A B. Next, B alpha plus C, B C. Now here what you get? 0 minus B alpha plus C. That is minus B alpha minus C. So multiplying alpha with first row. That is minus A alpha square minus B alpha. Next here A alpha plus B minus B minus A alpha 0. Next here also 0. So this is what? 0. Now find this determinant. So choosing the third minus A alpha square minus 2B alpha minus C into, so delete the corresponding column, corresponding row. You get AC minus B square. So AC minus B square is equals to 0. So given that this is what? Not equals to 0. So therefore AC minus B square is equals to 0. B square is equals to AC. So therefore A comma B and C are in GP. So clearly option 2. So next see the eighth one. So see here, given system of equations as non-trivial, that is determinant of A is equals to what? 0. So find determinant of A, that is 1 lambda minus 1. Next lambda minus 1 minus 1. So 1 1 minus lambda is equals to 0. So here 1 into lambda plus 1 minus lambda into minus lambda square plus 1 minus 1 into lambda plus 1 is equals to 0. So here lambda plus 1 minus of lambda plus 1 get cancelled. Now this is lambda into 1 minus lambda square is equals to 0. So therefore 1 is lambda is equals to 0, another one lambda square minus 1 is equals to 0. So lambda is equals to plus or minus 1. So therefore lambda values are 0 comma 1 comma minus 1. So clearly for 3 values of lambda. So option 4. So for next session we will discuss new chapter